Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at VeChain and its valuations against Ethereum. One might say it looks a lot similar to the Cardano chart. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, VeChain has been having, a pretty decent week. I mean, it's up 21% against Ethereum. It's not something to celebrate on the streets about, but we have successfully, I would say, broken this trading channel. We are on our way to the next resistance level, which is at 0.00004787 Ethereum. We've seen that this has proven to be resistance a couple of times. The last two major breaks were here. And we also see two bounces off of this resistance level. So these are the two levels that we are looking to um, reach at. Ultimately, the top one for VeChain. Looking at the Cardano against Ethereum chart, which looks quite similar in nature, we see that it is possible this coming cycle that we might see VeChain do that. We saw Cardano just cut through this like butter, didn't really make a difference, and hopefully we might see the same for VeChain. Now with VeChain, it is a risky asset. It's a top 50 coin. It's, I think, in the 30s. So market cap is a lot lower than Cardano's. So there is the chance that you can make more money with VeChain. Obviously, there's more of a reward, but naturally there's more risk. It's a lot more riskier asset at the moment than Cardano. Cardano is, I can't remember the market cap, but it's top three. I'm pretty sure now, and VeChain is top 30. With that said, uh, I think that I am looking to see VeChain hit this level. It should within this cycle. It might happen multiple times, but definitely for when I'm holding it, that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm ultimately looking to sell my VeChain at this level. Not all of it, but a large portion of my VeChain and probably my last sell will be at that level. Now, what are the environmental factors that would allow this? Well, the environmental factors that would allow this is right now. Bitcoin needs to be chilling out, and it has. It did get rejected off the 20-day moving average, but I mean it's holding relatively steady at $48,000. It could oscillate and eventually just move sideways, with the top being around 58,000 and the bottom being at 43. Um, and if that is the case, then VeChain will thrive, like we're seeing, like what we're seeing now. We see it rally for 4.25% today. 2 days ago on Monday, it rose 14% against Ethereum. So this is this is kind of the environmental factors that would allow VeChain to do this. If it continues on like this, then I'm fairly confident that we will reach to this level and possibly this level here. Now, in terms of time frame, well, the time frame I think is at some point Bitcoin or Ethereum will rally. And when I mean rally, I mean it's going to rally to the point where a lot of liquidity of altcoins are going to shift back into Ethereum. So the question is, and I talked briefly about this in Cardano, in my previous video about Cardano, that um, we might see a run of altcoins like VeChain and Cardano to the upper points of the region, like perhaps here, for example, and for Cardano, we might see a last gasp, a last hurrah. Until that time, or at that point when we see that rally, we then might see a subsequent Ethereum rally, which would then bring the valuations back. Oh, which would then bring the valuations back down. Because as we see with Cardano and VeChain, when it gets to these levels, okay, when it gets to the top level at least, it doesn't stay there for very long. Ethereum's the same way. When it comes up to that region, it doesn't stay that very long. Now, I'm not talking about hours, I'm talking about days, but relatively within a week, you could be in and out of there within a week. So keep that in mind. And I'm definitely keeping that in mind. Um, when we see moves like this, it's important to take advantage of them. I've already sold a portion of my Ethereum when it reached the top level of this channel. Um, I think it's nearing another sell point. I think around this level is where my next sell point is, and I would probably be selling it either back to Bitcoin or stable coins or Ethereum. I haven't made that decision yet, but that's kind of, that's essentially what I'm thinking about right now. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on the channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If any of them make drastic moves, this would offset the delicate balance that altcoins like VeChain would need to rally further. Talk to you later, you guys. Bye bye.